Thinking about starting your own catering business in Malaysia? It's a great opportunity. But getting started the right way is important. Running a catering business means more than just great food. You'll need to register your company, meet food safety standards, and get the right business licenses. That's where 3E Accounting Malaysia can help. At 3E Accounting, we help entrepreneurs turn their passion for food into a successful business. We know what it takes to set up a catering company that's legally compliant and ready for growth. We'll assist you with business registration, food handling licenses, business premise licenses, tax planning for your catering business, employment regulations, and insurance setup. Starting a catering business can be exciting, but missing the small details could lead to costly setbacks. With 3E Accounting Malaysia, you'll have an experienced team making sure you cover every important step, so you can focus on building your brand and serving your customers. Ready to launch your catering business in Malaysia? Let's make sure your business is set up for success from the start. Visit 3ecpa.com.my or get in touch with 3E Accounting Malaysia today. We're here to help you take the next step.